2026 Professional Hanger Hat Installation Method. Install this long extension rod onto this clamp. There are screws on the hat holder. Install it on the other end of the extension rod. Clip the clamp on the tripod pole. Tighten it. Extend the telescopic rod. Turn the hat support in this direction. Put on the hat. Fix the hat in my way. To create this look, when making a shoulder hanging style, on the other end of the extension rod, install this shoulder brace. The entire hat support is located behind the clothes to support the hat and acts as a fake collar.